Today I'm going to play with something totally new. My husband's always on the hunt. My wonderful husband's always on the hunt for, kind of new ideas, things I can paint, things I can play with. So he found these tiles at the, what do you call it, the Restore, and they're big tiles. I don't know the size. Looks like 12 by 24, I'm guessing. And they're pretty heavy, but he thought they would make really neat kind of table things to put hot dishes dishes on your table with. So I'm going to, I cleaned it up. It looks like it had a little bit of tape glue on it, so hopefully it's okay. So I'm going to paint it, and then I will resin it with some heat-resistant resin from Magic Resin, and hopefully then it'll work for that purpose. So I tape the edges at the back so that when I resin it, it'll the resin drips will come off. And then when I'm done this, I'm hoping I'll have enough paint left. I want to do a vase to match. So we'll see what happens. So I'm using metallics. Whoops. So I've got metallic copper, Liquitex Basics, metallic gold, and then silver, and it's Sargent silver. Yeah, and then I'm going to flood the background with, I wanted metallic black, but I don't have enough of it, so I'm using my Deserres black, which is really nice paint, and then I've put some Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. Ooh, so I don't know if that's going to make it kind of metallic-y. Kind of looks like it, so I'm going to give that a try. So I'm going to do, I don't know what they call those. It's not a Dutch pour per se. You're just kind of blowing the colors out. So that's my plan. So here we go. I'm going to try and save enough of this black to pour over the vase. So we'll see how we go. See how it goes. I got a little bit of metallic black on standby in case I need that for the vase. Here we go. Hands in. Oh, you know what? I forgot to bring. Hang on. I gotta go get my bucket of soapy water so I can wash my hands. Be right back. Okay, we're good. I always do that. I like to have a bucket of soapy water, one of these guys, handy, and then I can wash my hands because I'm always getting my hands in it. Plus, when I'm done with the little cups and that, I can just throw them in that bucket. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Oh yeah, the iridescent, I can definitely see it. So hopefully, because all the paints are metallics, and I kind of want that look. So it looks like it's going to work okay. I'm being a little bit skimpy. Hopefully I won't run into troubles because of that. But I really want to have enough to do a vase. And then I thought it'd be nice to leave on your table. It's kind of a centerpiece thing you do with the vase on it when you're not using it for a hot plate. Hot plate? No. I don't know if that's the right term, but you know what I mean. Something to put hot dishes on. I don't think you'd want to put anything right from the oven on it, but you could certainly put, bowls of food in that. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I'm kind of excited about these. He got me 6 of them. And if it works out, I'm definitely gonna look for more. 6 of them for $6, so $1 each. That works. Okay, I'm washing the black off my hands. Okay, so now I will just torch this a little bit. Ooh, lots of bubbles. Well, I kind of think this might work. I shouldn't get ahead of myself though. Let's move that because I'll end up knocking it over with the hairdryer. Okay. So let's do the silver first. I think I do want it to go right across, right kind of in the middle. Oh, I didn't save enough for my, oh well, it's not going to be a lot of silver on my vase. And let's do some copper. And I won't pour quite so much. There we go. Gold, so it's all metallics. Okay. I think that's all I want in there. So here we go. Just gonna see. Sorry about the noise. Okay, that looks incredible. I don't know if it's going to stay incredible. I don't know why, like I'm getting a lot of cells, but it's still very cool. So let's see what happens with that. I'm not sure why so many cells, but it's okay. It looks kind of cool. Okay, so let's see what happens with the vase. Can you see? Let me move this a bit so you can see what's going to happen with the vase. So I'm going to start with, oh, I forgot to take the stick off. Probably doesn't matter. No, I'm going to leave it because I'm going to put felt on the bottom anyway. I think I cleaned that all out. No. I was thinking of doing maybe I should do a ring pour, but I'm not going to. I'm going to, I'll just do what I usually do there. Make sure it's good and flat. And I don't think it's going to cover the whole vase, like that. You're going to see glass showing through, but I'm okay with that. I kind of want that to happen. How are we doing over here? Okay, that looks good. Now, no idea. I guess I'll do silver last because I just have a little bit of that. So, if I do then copper. I'm probably not going to pour the colors on top of each other. Let's see if I can get kind of a stripy kind of look. You never know what the metallics are going to do. Sometimes they get swallowed up. So let's try some of the gold in between. Oh, I like that. And I just have a little bit of silver. So I'll look for the biggest gaps. I don't know how much that's going to show. Last little bit of silver. pretty cool. It needs some more copper though. You know me and copper. It's my thing. Wow, this looks pretty cool. I hope it doesn't all just come off. I'll put a bit more gold here. Okay, so I don't see any gold in here. Well, maybe it'll come up. I don't want to torch it. I can't get over the cells. I may end up putting like some gold alcohol ink or something on this. Anyway, this is totally experimental. I don't know how the texture of that tile is, what that's gonna do. So I'm just gonna leave it set, and I might play with this a little bit more. Get some of those colors to come up a little better. So I'll come back in a little while, whoops, and see how it's drying. See how it looks. Pretty cool. Okay, that's all for now. So I got some paint left, so you know what that means. There's all these drippings here. I can't let that go to waste. They all dripped off the base. That's actually looking pretty cool. So, guess what that means? It's coaster time. I'm just going to pour the rest of what I got here. Do I have any black left? Yeah, I got a little bit of black. Pour it in there. Good to the last drop. Good. There's that copper in there. And I'm gonna, don't have much gold. Maybe that's enough. I might steal a little bit more from my bottle of gold. Okay. Got my stuff out of the way. Yeah, tiny little bit of silver. Silver dots. Okay, here it goes. I'm just going to dip it in. This will look great. Or, oh, popsicle stick in there. It was hidden under the paint. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm just going to nudge the sides. A little tap here and there. Oh, I don't know what this is going to do. It's making cells and that, but man, that looks amazing. Can you see? Oop, don't drip on the painting. Okay, there's one. I'll do this one over here. I love this. Oh, I didn't get that corner, but I don't want to redip it. I'm going to cheat a little bit there. Man, that looks amazing. No, I got to do the nudge so that I don't, if you nudge it to cover the sides instead of tapping, it's okay if you have a little spot to tap it, but I don't like to tap it all the way around because then you lose the pattern on the side. So there we go, there's another beaut. I'm sure I can get another 2 out of here. Still a lot of paint. Wow, these colors are amazing. A little nudge. Okay, that looks good. Can you see? Isn't that amazing? I love doing these. I could do it all day. Okay, last one. This one might be a bit tricky. Well, there's still a lot of paint there. I know people do cool stuff with the skins. I'm never patient enough to let them dry before I have to change the decks, change the scene, but I might with this one, because man, what's left there? It'll make some really neat somethings. Wow, look at that one. Look at all the cells happening. Okay, so cool. Okay, so now we'll wait and see how everything evolves. That's half the fun. And we'll come back when everything's dry and see what we got. And here they are, all resined up. Turned out pretty cool. Woo, black. I got the felt all on the back. I'll have to dust off the bottom. Turned out kind of neat. The vase. Kind of cool. Put felt on the bottom so it doesn't scratch. And this guy, you know, it's good. It's not what I had in mind really. But I thought, no, I'm not going to mess with it. I'll just leave it alone. And it's fine. Turns out kind of nice. Kind of manly. And there we go.